Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Hotjar for Store UX Insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to hotjar.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Hotjar. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will take you back to the Hotjar website to complete your registration. Now, you'll need to create a password for your account. After entering your password, click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to select your role in the organization. Choose the option that best fits your position. Next, Hotjar will request details about your business. Provide the necessary information, such as your company name and website URL. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on Continue. Hotjar may ask about your main objectives for using their services. Select the options that are most relevant to your needs. After confirming your objectives, click on Continue again. Now, you will be directed to your Hotjar dashboard. Here, Hotjar will guide you to install the tracking code. To do this, choose your platform from the available options. If you are using a website builder like WordPress or Wix, follow the specific instructions provided. If you're comfortable with code, you can copy the tracking code directly. Paste this code into the header of your website's HTML. Make sure to save the changes and publish your site. Return to your Hotjar dashboard to confirm that the tracking code is working correctly. You can now set up your first recording or survey to gather UX insights. Follow the prompts to start capturing user interactions on your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.